Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to bend a line in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Canva editor and open up either a new design or an existing design where you want to add your curved line. This works with any type of project you're working on, whether it's a poster, social media graphic, or presentation. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all the shapes, graphics, and design elements that Canva offers. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in line and press enter. This will filter the results to show you all the line options available. From the search results, you'll see a section labeled Shapes. Select any line from this section and add it to your canvas by simply clicking on it. The line will appear on your design, and you can position it wherever you'd like it to go. Now, click on the line to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and handles around it. Once the line is selected, look at the top toolbar above your canvas. You should see an option called Line Type. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with different line style options. From this menu, select Curved. This instantly transforms your straight line into a curved one, giving you much more flexibility for creative designs. Here's where the fun part comes in. After selecting Curved, you'll notice white control points appear on the line. These control points are what allow you to customize the curve. Click and drag these white control points to bend the line more or less depending on the shape you want to achieve. You can experiment with different curves until you get the exact look you're going for. If you want to further customize your line, you can also adjust its appearance. Click on Stroke Style in the top toolbar. This option lets you change the thickness of the line or switch between different line styles like solid, dashed, or dotted. This is especially useful if you want your curved line to match the overall aesthetic of your design. And that's it. You've now created and customized a curved line in Canva, giving your design a more dynamic and professional look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.